So this week is my birthday week and I've just got back to the flat. No, I haven't. I've just got back to the farm and I'm off taking the dogs out for the walk. It's actually really nice being in the country. I've got a little bit of a break before I head back and start revising because life update, I failed my exams. I mean, I was kind of expecting it, but of course I was disappointed. So this week I'm going to be working until Thursday evening. And then I've got my flatmates coming down to celebrate the birthday celebrations here. But yeah, so just taking the dogs for a quick walk, listening to some music. This will probably be going up after my concert video. So yes, I recently went to see the Capitol Summertime Ball and it was really good, but I'm like obsessed with half the artists now. So I've just got them listened to through on repeat. But I'll leave a link to that video below if you haven't seen it already. Puppies! Hello, piggies. You coming to say hello? Come on then. Hello. What are you doing? Hello, mister. Mrs. You look happy. Don't go under there. No. Thank you. The dogs have gone off to scare the piglets, but as soon as I go over, they're going to run to the back, I promise. Should we go try? Told ya. Hi piggies, what are you doing? What are you doing, piggies? Hello. Oi, Holly. Oi! Tilly! See, they take a while and they run away, and then after a while they come up close. Look at the little faces. Hello. You saying hi? Hello, piggies. Oh, trying to get out. Look at them all lined up. This grass comes up to my knees. Well, in fact, it comes up to my waist. But look at the dogs, they're just surrounded. Go on, Hull. She could easily disappear now. Can you see me? Help! It's a jungle in here. I love seeing them chew the grass. How cute! It's always fun to see the dogs at the end of a walk. So I'm going up a hill, so I'm kind of out of breath. But it's always good, funny. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's always funny to see the dogs at the end of a walk, because at the start they're always running off way in front of me, and then at the end they're always like chilling at the side of me. So like they're just waiting for me now because they don't really want to walk anymore. As soon as I stop, they stop.